So I'm Mukul here, working as a Vastu consultant, and my company name is Vastukul LLC. So we are based here in Dubai, and our journey started in 2012. And since long we are here in Dubai, and we are providing Vastu consultancy. But somewhere we realized like we were having our website, but that website was not that attractive, and we were not getting like that much of attention from our clients on the website itself. So we realized like we need some kind of change in the, like we need some company to manage our website or change our website according to our requirement. So we go through it in the market. I check locally over here in UAE. I had meeting with so many people and had discussion with so many of them. I had given my idea, but somehow it didn't work. And then in India also, I tried to connect with so many people and so many companies. And then I got in connect with ISOLS and ISOLS, where I got their feedback somewhere from the internet, and then I got connected with them. We had 2 3 meetings, and then it stopped. I checked with other suppliers also, because I was having something very particular in my mind regarding my website. I want something specific content, but nobody was able to provide me that content. And even to ISOLS also, I given them some suggestions initially that I want this kind of things. Then they, from their end, they suggested, okay, let us give you our choice. And they said, sir, we will give you something which you will like it and you are not going to reject. And in their first attempt, they have given me some template of the website which I like, and the colors what I want exactly, they use those colors. And definitely there were some changes which were not there like initial stage. So I asked them, okay, can you include those specific things for what I required? And the team is very quick. Whenever I ask them anything to do, any changes, they're done like within 24 hours. All the request has been modified, and the journey was like very smooth. And I'm with them like from past 6 months, and the feedbacks are good. The website is like very popular now. It's on the first page itself, and people are liking the website. Even when I check with my other clients, when I go there, I show them my website, and it looks more professional, and it's more colorful, and that all the details are there. And till date also, I like, whenever I feel like there is some extra content required to be added, I just pass them the information, and they just add it to my website. So the team is very active, and they are very good supportive, and they are giving very good feedback. So thank to ISOLS team for giving this kind of content and this kind of website just in first attempt. It saved a lot of my time, because I'm too busy with the things, and also I can't give all 100% of my time. So they save a lot of my time, and the services are really amazing. So I will recommend to others as well, like use their service, give them at least one chance, and you will not regret. Their services are amazing. The team is really good. They are like, it's Friday, it's Sunday, anytime you call them and they respond. So the team is amazing. The feedback is very good. And especially like the team which I'm meeting, like Sandeep, he's with them, and I talked to Mr. main owner, Mr. Chug as well. So everybody is very good and they're very supportive. So thanks to ISOLS. Thank you.